Can you let me be? Hello everyone, I am back with another DIY Wednesday. How are you guys doing? So what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna get serious with my vision board. This is just a cork board and I'm gonna hang up my map here, a reminder for me to travel once this is all over. What else am I doing today? I'm gonna spruce up my DIY curtain rod brackets. I'll show you how I did it or what materials I had to do it, because this is a rental, so I didn't screw anything. I just attached it with a double-sided tape, and so far so good. And my curtains are still up there. These brackets are DIY. I used some wall hooks or coat hooks, just like in the picture. I sliced it up and made it into 4, and I already have my bracket and spray painted it copper. And what else am I gonna show you? So I have a black curtain, a plain black curtain on one of my windows, and it's just looking sad. So I'm going to spruce it up too. So this is the black curtain that I have. It's just so plain and the length is not even right. So please join me on this video and see what I'm gonna do to spruce up my place. Left a few marks there. Yeah. But I'll try to find a way to remove them later. Okay, I've got my boards here. So what I'm gonna do is use acrylic. I'll paint it all black. I've got my brushes here, and I'll do this first so I can wait on it for or to let it dry, and then do my curtain rod brackets. I have placed painter's, what do you call that? Painter's tape. Okay, so I have placed painter's tape, is that what you call it, around those brackets so I won't damage the wall, because I'm telling you, from the previous apartment I had, the security deposit that I got back was around 3% already, only, because I did so much in that apartment that kind of not destroyed or disfigured, I don't know what's the term, from that apartment. So the landlord had to just give me back 3% of what I had from my security deposit. This is a good arm workout, I'm telling you. My cat doesn't want me to do anything to this curtain. Chica, move. Chica, can you move please? Now I'm just waiting for those to dry, and what I'm gonna do next is do this curtain. So what I'm thinking is use this fake flowers I had. I was ready to discard them, but I think I found a use for them. So, because I have nothing else in my house, I would have preferred to use some yarn to decorate this, or some pom-poms. Maybe that's another way to decorate your curtains. So, I'm just gonna use these fake plants. I have the idea of just stitching them randomly on this curtain. I've said before that I won't be using any more fake plants in the house because I'm trying to grow an indoor garden. But this shouldn't be counted, right? Because it's just an additional decor to my curtains. these flowers to the curtain, and I don't know if I'd be able to wash this in the washing machine if I need to wash it, but I don't want to glue it, so I'm gonna sew it on. I've placed the flowers where I wanted them to be, so let's get to it.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you.
And I'm done with it. So I've got those fake flowers stitched. Now I'm going to hang up the curtains again. Those brackets are probably dry now. I also want to show this tie back for my curtains. It's also a DIY from lanyards collected over the years. So I did this, just the buckles at both ends, some ribbon or whatever, and then just sew this on each sides, and then we have a tie back for your curtains. Remove the tape, and this is the end result. So much better now. Goes with the theme now. So much better. Okay, the curtain looks less intimidating. I'm happy with it. That's all I can do for now. So my brackets are looking good. Okay, so I'm ready to put up my vision board again. So I'm gonna use this door. I'm gonna utilize this door, and so I can free up space here. And I've put double-sided tape on these ones, and it's now black, well, most of it, and it fits perfectly here. So I'm gonna put one up there. And the second one here. Wait. Paint is still wet. Some of it anyways. Ta-da! So I'm done with my mission board, but really it's just some pictures here, special cards.
Dream body.
Loyal to 21, blackjack here, and I just put it up there, 1,000. The dream is to reach at least 1,000 subscribers, and I've also put up my map here. So this is going to be my vision corner, and I placed it right opposite my bed, so I can see it every time I wake up in the morning. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the video. So we've done quite a bit today. That's it for DIY Wednesday until next week. So keep those creative juices flowing. Me, I'm just staying in a studio, but I can think of a lot of things to do in my place to keep me busy, keep my mind off, what's happening right now. But I have done it. I'm doing it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe or comment. I'm always up for suggestions of what I can do next. I may run out of ideas, or you may have better ideas, but I hope you really enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week, and stay safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.